I picked these up at Walmart and I have been dying to taste these. These are the Lay's Flamin' Hot chips. So like the Cheetos, but chip style. That one trying with me, of course. But I got a little twist to it because I'm going to be adding some medium queso and a dill pickle. No colors from artificial sources and no artificial flavors. These are not as red as, that's the color. Still spicy. Oh, real spicy. Order it. Pickle, chip, cheese, the dip. That's my breakfast, y'all. This is so good. New favorite snack alert. Yeah. Y'all had these? Oh, good. That's it. With that pickle, it just cools it down so nicely. It's me, Shonda, baby. Bye.